Kwa majina anaitwa Geoffrey, katibu wa mazingira gatuzi la Nairobi. Jana tulikuja hapa kurespond to complaints from the neighbors wa Bistro ambao walikuwa nasema kwamba kulikuwa na muziki ambao ilikuwa ina cause noise pollution kwa nyumba zao, hawangeweza kulala. Nilikuja na kweli nilipata kulikuwa na hiyo noise pollution. In the event ya kufanya kazi yangu, walitoka nje wakaanza kuniharas. The owner was so arrogant, akasema kwamba ako na haki ya kufanya biashara, lakini hana haki ya kupigia watu kelele. Na mimi nikamwambia, unapofanya biashara yako wajali majirani zako. Director General Nema has come here today and he has issued a closure order for this club to be closed down. I'm sending a message to all those who are disturbing neighbors, all bars and restaurants. You are supposed to close by 11 p.m. So those that we have received complaints, I'm also going to request the DG NEMA to issue closure orders so that they comply.
Sisi kutoka NEMA, National Environment Management Authority, Environmental Inspectors, County Director of Environment wa Nairobi, Mr. Lopokoyit, and our NEMA police unit are here to support our colleagues from Nairobi City County Government, and they are doing extremely good job to ensure that our citizens, the residents of Kilimani, Lavington and other areas, enjoy their sleep. This is a very notorious club, and today we've come to ensure that this club is closed down. We've already given them restoration orders even before, but they've been persistent in making noise. We've asked them also to soundproof this place, but they were not able to do that. Today, I'm happy to join with my brother, the Chief Officer, and the County Director of Environment for Nairobi County to ensure that this impunity is stopped for once and for all. We will not entertain this. The Nairobi City residents must enjoy peace. And I have a directive from my Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Duale, to ensure that this facility is closed down.